Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to share someone else's story on your Instagram highlight. So if somebody shares your story, pic or anything else, you can share their story into your highlight. So in order to do this, first you need to open your Instagram app and log into your account. Now if I want to share this person's story, that story, I will click on that story, and now after clicking on that story I will take a screenshot of that story. Now after this I will click on my profile pic, and if I want to add in my highlights I will click on the story section, and here's the story section. I will click on that your story section and click on that particular screenshot. Now if I want to edit that screenshot, I can easily edit by this feature of Instagram, and after doing this I will click on share button, and you can also click and mention that person in the mention section, and after clicking on that share button, click on share. Now a story has been added on your Instagram. Now if you want to add this story into your highlight, you need to click on that new highlight section, and now here you will see that a new highlight will be shown to you. Click on that highlight and click on next. Now click on done. Now you can see that a highlight will be added into my story. So this is the way to add a highlight of somebody else's Instagram story. I hope this guide was helpful, and you will be able to add a highlight of your Instagram account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.